If you want a $5 trillion economy in India, the country has no choice but to invest in high quality teachers who are of your pedigree, who take initiative, who try to figure out where there is an opportunity to learn, who excel while learning. And these three combinations will automatically put you on a flight for super careers, which is going to come into education. The new education policy, everybody heard of it. There's so much going around it, right? Everybody heard of 5 plus
Yeah.
3 plus 3 plus 4? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But the point is, it is like a mammoth task. It is like a super specialty surgery which needs to be done in education in India. You all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So we need teachers who are not just teachers, but we need teachers who are professionally having an outlook to make a career which is beyond their imagination to grow. So teachers, whether it is Lakshmi ma'am, Mayuri ma'am, Christina ma'am, or Tapassum ma'am, you are now chalking out a pathway to become leaders in the education sector.
Exactly.
I'm not trying to exaggerate. I'm not trying to give you a pep talk. I'm not here to, change your realities. If you feel you want to stay in the current position and grow and be the same teacher, it is fine. But you are already establishing yourself as a professionally developing teacher, a teacher who has a quality of thinking that knowledge, while world is changing, has to be acquired on a regular basis. And when you do that, you will blossom the whole society or the people around you. Do you all agree? Is there any doubt here?
No doubt, sir. 100%. What you said is right, sir.
When we say teachers are really the foundational pillars of the nation, it is true. So all the forces around, economy, government, everybody will start investing heavily. This new policy is the first step to make sure that there is a humongous resources which come into education sector, and give those resources to teachers like you who are leaders, who can take up initiative to lead teams or do transformation or change schools or go into the space and try and touch upon those thousands of teachers or the educators around you to inspire them. Do you all agree with me? You
Sir, I
still
agree
have
with
a
you.
True, sir.
yes, you still have a choice to stay what you want to do, but you always have an opportunity to grow. Now, so when you're sharing your thoughts, think from a perspective of those thousands of teachers who are out there, and how can you inspire them, with what you have experienced with our program on, understanding learning and teaching methodologies. So,
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. I'm actually basically a pre-primary teacher, and also in charge from primary section also. From past 25 years of experience I have in pre-primary. But though I have in 25 years of experience, really, sir, after joining in your learning your modules and joining into your group, I have learned many new things, how to teach very effective, and each and every module, really I have learned a new technique and a new technology and how to inspire my kids, and also I felt very happy with each and every module, sir.
Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Mayuri Singhani. I am a counselor as well as an art and craft teacher in Podar International, as well as Little Imaginations, a preschool and daycare center in Thane, Hiranandani. And I'm just 24 years old, have completed my master's in counseling psychology 2 years back and continuing with my certification courses ahead. So this was absolutely an opportunity where I just joined Podar a year back, and I'll start from the top. Is the fees which was to be enrolled for life education was absolutely affordable, And I appreciate the way you initiated this way, where we youngsters could get enrolled and learn a lot of things in this lockdown, where you made ourselves busy at a point where the schools were not working. So coming to the modules were, I agree, it were lengthy when it came to work, but then I would say that each point, like if I be specific, the audios you had mentioned in few modules were even more easier for us to moreover listen than read. It made ourselves more clear to every perspective and point what you wanted us to, like what you want all the points to reach us. Secondly, the more disadvantage when it comes to for a virtual classroom, what I personally feel as a teacher's perspective is controlling the students. But there were techniques and points mentioned by Life which made ourselves more practically be clear, where things made ourselves possible that no, it can work when it comes to controlling kids. That is the only point where we are unable to interact with our children when it comes to a virtual background. But thanks to Life, who have given us a lot of important and vital information, which definitely worked out for me as a youngster, and many more teachers who are here since many years and having a great experience. So sincere gratitude to all the founder and team Life who made this possible, and it really worked and helped. Thank you so much.
Tina Jennifer, and I'm originally from Tamil Nadu, but I had shifted back to Mumbai around 2 years back. So actually, I'm new to the field of teaching as well, because I have actually done my graduation in interior designing and architecture, and after that I shifted to the CP Goenka International Group of schools, wherein I'm teaching as an English teacher for the primary section. So that's about an introduction for myself. So me now talking about the life education that you all have done to me, like how I want to express how you all have helped me or how the course has helped me. As we all know that during March, it was like when it was announced for the lockdown and things like that. And then they came up with this online teaching in our school, for which already I was very tensed because I was new to teaching itself. And I had just gained 1 year of experience in CP Goenka as well. So now when it came to the new normal that became online teaching, so it was totally new and very stressing for me as to how am I going to take up such a thing, wherein teaching children face to face and teaching online is going to be something different. But then I came across I think there was a message or yeah, so, it was a word of mouth by somebody who told me that you can try on this. So when I came and I joined in your this one, like I think Miss Mayuri said, the fees that we actually had to enroll this for was very apt, and we were so, I mean, actually it was so easily available. So and when we joined, and usually people think when it is very easily available, they might think that, you know, the course is not very great or something. But when I actually, as a personal experience, when I actually started taking up all the modules that you had given us, it was really a wonderful experience. Like and since like I think Ruhi ma'am had mentioned first that many people said it's too lengthy and things like that. So similarly, like when we see a lot of modules there in line, we do get a little worried that, oh my god, when am I going to complete this, when am I going to do this? But still I think there was an option that as and when we complete the module, like we can complete the module and then, you know, wait to start for the next module. So it was not that we had to sit down and complete all the modules on the same day or something like that. So that was something that I really liked about it. Like I could finish my first module in that and then take a break, get refreshed about it, or you know, if I could understand that, and then even if I didn't understand something, then I think we could go back and listen to what was already there also. And same like Miss Mayuri said, the audios that you had that was given there was even more nice. And even the presentations which had the what do you say, the pencil writings there, so that was like, you know, someone is teaching us actually with the board, or you know, something like that. So and the way it was expressed, I mean, it was explained about how Zoom comes into the picture, how Google Classroom comes into the picture, and how are the effective learning skills that are being taught, or the techniques. So all this helped me a lot actually, and I learned a lot of things from all the modules that were given. and the small assignments that were given, or the questions asked, were really very effective, and it was nice. So from my side, there's a big thank you to Life, because this module or this course was the first thing that I came up when I had to go into online teaching. So I learned a lot of things from this module. So thank you to Life team, and thank you all. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience that I went through.
You are the ones who are going to be the, you know, the next generation teachers in terms of inspiring a lot of them who are there. Honestly speaking, I feel very sad that the teacher community is almost 60, 70 years in the fraternity. There are still teachers who are in their late 50s and 60s. I know teachers in some schools, private schools, who are at 70s also are teaching. And there are some great teachers who have taken initiative, but majority of the teachers are not taking initiative because they fear technology. They fear technology. Everybody fears it, but the moment you got into it, you can see an array or a host of things which completely come into your scope, and you become absolutely powerful. You really get that additional edge in terms of learning something new, in terms of techniques, understanding what technology can do, figure out how children are having a different level of focus and concentration when it comes to online. One of the think of something which you can inspire them, say something. So I think, Mayuri ma'am, you can go first. Just say certain things which you can inspire other teachers with.
Okay, so
take up this professional development course. What would you tell to them? Why it is important?
it is important, first of all, to learn for ourselves. Like, we, while becoming a teacher, we had given almost 17 years to become a teacher. But when it comes to something, a course like this, which Team Life has provided us, I would come to a point where it is even beyond to what we studied in a university or a school. It is something which is even more important when it comes to a virtual background. I am 25 years old. I've never come across where I'm home since 5 months. So I think for us to realize this, Team Life has got this virtual background, which is absolutely new, more relevantly important, where we wanted something to come across and we did. And that's how I think when it comes to a professional world, this would be new even for Lakshmi ma'am. She is into this field since so many years. I'm absolutely a freshie, and obviously it is equal for everyone. We are on a platform where me and Lakshmi ma'am probably would be on same platform. She being so experienced, I'm a freshie, but what Team Life has given onto this virtual class details is absolutely commendable, is what I have come across. It is
I think
absolutely worth.
This is worth sharing with teachers, to inspire all the teachers. Thank you so much, Mayuri ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am, what do you want to say?
Welcome, ma'am.
So actually, 4 walls, teaching in the 4 walls is very easy, sir, but online teaching is lot of difficulties there. And really, sir, 25 years of experience in 4 walls, between the 4 walls, it is damn pretty easy. But this scenario, the COVID scenario, has made even the teachers also to learn many new things like online teaching. And this, your Life team has made me, like, though I'm in 50 years of age, I have learned many new techniques, and it has given me a really, sir, I have actually, I never thought that I will learn something new, Bolka. I did not even thought that this kind of situation will come to this generation. Really, the COVID scenario has
you said you can pass another 25-30 years in the teaching profession without learning more. it completely changed your scenario.
Really, sir. This type of education completely new for me, sir, because all the 4 walls, every time it is a damn easy to teach inside the classroom. Whereas in the online teaching, we have to with a smiling face, and we have to use a lot of new techniques. We have to use that, and this life education has given me the chance to learn many new things, sir. Really, all the modules I have learned, and I felt very happy. And I have given this link to all my teachers in the school also, and they are also ready now to join in this group also, sir.
Excellent. Thank you, ma'am. It is very inspiring. We are going to share your video to you, to all the teachers. Please share, because there are a lot of teachers to be inspired.
I will course, like, I mean, I'll make it very simple to them. I'll say, you might be experienced with teaching, or because most of them are quite well versed in teaching, and I do have some of them who are like me, and who have joined and all that. So yes, so I will just tell them, get clarity, get life. That's it. So you want clarity in teaching, just come to life. You'll get, if you're new to it, because that was my first thing. So for me, I would just say, because planning, designing, all that I learned in life. That was my first step to online teaching, actually. So you get confidence. So I would tell them, you'll get confidence. Just join. Just try this, and I'll say, yeah, you'll get a clarity on teaching. So yes, very simple. Get clarity, get life. Finish.